Hello again, everybody.
Hi,
I'm Aurora.
Stuart.
We are Annapolis Valley Dance Company, and we're making these videos for our lovely students so that they can practice at home. Hopefully you're all enjoying them so far. Right now, this is level 2, lesson 3, and we've moved into a salsa sequence. So far we have done the crossbody lead in opposite directions. Right now what we're going to do is add a open break turn, followed by a lead turn, followed by a follow turn. So this is what this is going to look like. Starting with a basic step. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, break turn, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, lead turn, 5, 6, base again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's break it down. So first of all, we're going to get Stu to talk to you about the lead footwork.
Ooh, so when we did crossbody leads, there's the concept of the track and the rail. So it was 1, 2, 3, because you're making a pathway, and then 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that was for crossbody leads. Open break turns, similar, but it's going to be on the opposite side. So remember, open breaks, we're going back, these ones. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. See what's different? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Opposite side, opposite feet. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Let's do that again in time.
Okay. And what's the follow doing during that?
So let's just go through it again and I'll explain.
Okay.
Okay, so he's going to lead me in an open break turn, starting with the basic step. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open break. I just turn 5, 6, 7. I keep my time. That's all I'm doing. 5, 6, 7 again. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. As long as you're connected to your lead follows, you keep doing that basic with your feet, you're going to end up in the right place. Not to worry about which angle, which part of the rail you're standing on. As long as you come back to each other, that's what it's all about.